Hey, so quick video here. I'm going to show you the struggles with the Banks Ram Air. It don't line up. So there it is. You can see that this one here still is not lined up. What I might try doing is prying that over to get that to fit with our little plug there. And hopefully that starts lining up, because you will lose your little bolt in there. Those are just done up loose right now to give me some movement. I thought I'd try tightening that one up to see if it'd pull that one over, but it didn't. Okay guys, so we've got the tool that we use to pop that little clip out. So what you have to do, you shouldn't, but you do, to get that to line up, you have to kind of wedge it and then pry. It doesn't look, it's hard to tell on the camera, but it definitely lines it up. You got to kind of, as you can see, get it on a bit of an angle and move that over to get that screw hole to line up. A little bit of a little frustrating by something that's, you know, expensive. You got to pry it over and lose screws down here, and because I did lose this one the first time. So anyways, still happy with the product, but well, I'm happy with the airflow of it, but think it's crap that you got to do this to a $600 intake. You got to pry parts over to get bolts to fit in there. Absolutely ridiculous, but here we are. I got to use both hands and just struggle. Okay, so there's the technique. I'm holding that other screwdriver with my pinky, and I've got that front one in, went in pretty good. That one there, that one there. I picked this one to struggle with so that I had something to pry off of, and then once I get the whole line up, I just sort of place that in there so I don't lose the Phillips and start tightening it down. I don't knock his products. I think that Banks is great. So I bought it, but this is ridiculous. Thanks for watching DNS Projects. If you wouldn't mind going down to that like and subscribe button, a review on all the parts that I've put on this thing. This is the Banks cold air intake. Other than that, super simple install. I just wanted to show the struggles and what you might have to do if you're running into this problem. Could be a molding issue or who knows, but yeah, there it is. Hopefully this helped you in installing your Ram Air intake.